Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the settings. Right here in the settings we have to scroll down and find the section passwords and accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Just a reminder. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, so let me just give me a second. Okay, and tap on Next. So here we've got two-step verification. We have to verify ourselves, so let me just tap on Try Another Way and just give me another second. Okay, so I just verified myself on another device. No worries, simply ignore it. You will not have to do it if you're doing it for the very first time. Now you can decide who's going to use this device, so either you or your child. So just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we have to be patient. And here we've got the backup, so you can decide whether you'd like to backup the device data. I will just tap on Accept, just ignore it. And here, as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And to remove it, it's quite easy. Simply tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, confirm it, and enter your screen lock if you've got one. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.